Hello kids, today we are going to start numbers 1 till 20. Let's get started. First, we will start with red color. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's take our new color, which will be our favorite blue color. Let's get started. 6 7 8 9 10.
Hello kids, today we're going to play around 1, 2, 3. 1 Oh, 10 1 This is orange color. This is 2 T double O 2. This is yellow color. This is 3. This is the number 3. This is THREE 3. This is 3. This is green color. And this is number 4. This is fourth number FOUR 4. This is the color blue. Number 5. Number 5 is here. This is the number 5. The number 5 is apple. This is the number 5. FIVE 5. This is the number 6. SIX 6. This is the number. This is the color pink. And this is 7. 7. This is 7. This is the color brown. And this is number 8. This is brown. This is the color black. And this is number 9. This is 9. So now we'll start from again from red. This is the number 10. This is number 10. This is the number 11. This is the color 11. This is the color green. 13. Yes. This is the number 13. THREE. 13. This is the number 14.